Okay, guys, so let's start where I have stopped the recording. And anyway, so I was discussing the Shodan, which is the Internet of Things or Internet of Everything search engine. And as I said before, that the Census and Shodan like is both of them are really interesting search engine to find out the Internet of Things or the devices, smart devices. So let's just quickly do the search. Quickly do the search. Apache basically the website web server software. So it means that I'm interested to find out all the devices, all the machines, all the computers running Apache, which is a web server software. So there you can see that this is the IP address, the location, and obviously there are some filters which I can use. If I would like to do if I would like to search the country specific, I like to see the services, the organization, similarly the operating system. So all these are the filters. So there you can see that apart from this, if I just type, for example, the Debian, or I can search the specific port number as well. Similarly, this particular search engine is really interesting and exciting if you are interested to find out the information about the maritime, all the ships traveling in the sea at the moment. So this topic is altogether a different, different OSINT, which is called the maritime OSINT, which we will discuss in some other time. But anyway, so this is the Shodan search engine. And apart from this, I would also like to tell you about the archive. Archive is basically the wayback machine, which stores the information of if I say that it stores the website information, the history of the website. For example, during our investigation, there are some times that we needed to find out the status of the particular website in a particular time frame. For example, if I'm investigating a website and I'm interested to see the information that has been published or available, or the layout of the website in the past. Or so, for example, if I'm investigating now in 2021 and I want to see a specific website in 2019, then I can use this wayback machine. So let's just quickly check the I don't know what to check. Let's just quickly see ehacking.net, let's say. Okay, oh sorry. So can I get something? So there you can see that the ehacking.net, they have created a snapshot of this domain from January 2011 till the last snapshot was taken on November 26, 2020, which is quite interesting. So they basically, there you can see that this is February 2020. I'm not interested in this one. I just want to see what was the website in 2011. If I just click on 2011, I can see the one or probably multiple snapshots in a month. So it depends on how frequently you update your website. So let's say the January 3rd January 2011. If I just click on this, I can see this particular website, how it looked, how it was basically at that time 2011. So meanwhile it's working. Let's discuss the there you can see that it's that the entire website was very different at that time, and now it is very different. But I used to write the article in 2011 as well, and there were other people as well. But I've written many at that time. But anyway, so this is the archive.org or org. Apart from this, let's discuss the Tor search engines. Tor basically is the important or the very famous dark net. Let me just navigate to my Honix machine and then I will discuss it. Okay, so there you can see that I am now in my Honix machine, which uses Tor in order to connect to the internet. If you really want to understand this Honix, the Tor, then you should check out the basically program or the tutorial that I've created on the Darknet, and then you will get the understanding of what this Honix is all about. So I'm not going to discuss the concept of Honix in this course. So this course is all about the OSINT. So let's just quickly see some directory and the search engine that are very useful if you are doing the Darknet or the Tor OSINT, specifically the Tor OSINT, because the Darknet, there are other Darknet services as well. For example, the I2P network and other networks as well. So let's just discuss the Tor network here, and I will share you the four amazing or interesting search engines. You can see the search engine directories or the Tor or the Darknet. There could be, or there are many directories or many search engines, but these four are the famous one, or they basically have indexed a lot of information as far as the Darknet is concerned. So the first one is EMEA. If I'm not pronouncing it incorrectly, then so it is the I mean, if I say the positive thing of this search engine or the directory is the clean and the nice interface. So there you can see that they say that they have the I2P network search as well. So if you want to try this, you can try this. But I haven't hands-on experience of this search engine on I2P network. That's why I'm not suggesting or recommending it at the moment. However, as far as the Tor is concerned, I recommend it. It's just the plain and simple. You just need to type your keyword and then, for example, the hacking, and then you will find the directories related to the hacking in the Tor network. Not directories, but the node or the servers. So there you can see the onion website. There you can see website that has server hacking, down payment, blah, store, and DSM hacker, hacking tool and service in one place, blah 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 blah. Anyway, apart from this, this is the Torch is one of the oldest yet still useful search engine in the Darknet. So there you can see some advertisement as well. Let's not get into the advertisement. What you can do, you can just simple use your keyword to search the particular document or whatever you want to search. For example, again, let's just search hacking and see what's in there. And in the meantime, let's discuss the kilos. I mean, this is the search engine. This is the search engine or the directory. Maybe it's a directory, but this is to search the Darknet marketplaces and the offerings. But primarily the people use it to access the illegal activities like the drugs and all. If you just put your search query, you will get there you can see different filters like shipping origin and all these things, maximum price, meaning the minimum and the maximum price, and then the payment acceptance like the BTC or the BCH, which is the Bitcoin Cash. And apart from this, there you can see some newses, and obviously, so they have the dark code Tor service, or you can say the website, which is the most notorious, most blacklisted hacking forum in the Darknet, this one. Anyway, so you can just search. If I say hacking, I'm not sure that I will get any result or the important or the interesting result if I type hacking here, because this is the marketplace search engine. Maybe you'll get a service. So let's just search it. Oops, it's not working. This is the problem with the Tor. Sometimes the note don't simply work. So there you can see hacking book on the Darknet forum. They must be accepting the BTC or the other coins. So there I can see another hacking book. So this is, as I said, that this is the search engine for the marketplaces. It searched the Darknet marketplaces. So hacking collection, 10 pages and hacks collection for sell, hire a professional hacking service, or you can hire them. And then you can see some reviews, banking hacking guide, you can buy, you can do all these things, and there are many pages as well. Anyway, so apart from this kilos, one more search engine that I would like to suggest is called the Haystack. Haystack is arguably one of the best onion search engines in the history. This is clean, neat and clean, just like the Google. Apart from this, this is the fastest, even the better than AMIA in my opinion. And there you can see that it has indexed 1.5 billion pages over the couple of years. So this is amazing. So if I just type hacking and then see what you can get. Anyway, so yeah, there you can see that it searches and trying to find out the service, cyber services. So this is the Onion website, all the Onion website and their relevant links as well. So this is it about as far as the darknet or specifically the Tor and search engines are concerned. But there are many more things to do as far as the darknet OSINT is concerned. And apart from the darknet OSINT, we have Bitcoin OSINT and the entire blockchain OSINT as well. In the blockchain OSINT, you find out the ongoing transactions, and if you suspect a particular transaction, then you will have to find out the trail and all these things. And there are other techniques as well to reveal the darknet user information, which I have already discussed. The techniques that the law enforcement agencies use to uncover or to reveal the real name or real identity of the people active in the darknet forums, which this tutorial has been published on YouTube. You should check out. I'm sharing the URL with you. Apart from the darknet, there is a concept of clustering search engine as well. So let me navigate to my browser, and then I'll discuss the clustering search engine. All right, so clustering search engines, unlike traditional search engines, provide clusters that are related to the original search keyword. All right, so there you can see that this is the search engine, which is powered by the Deepweb technologies. And apart from this, I have another which is called the Yippee. So these both are the part of the clustering search engine. In the cluster search engine, as I said, that the only advantage that I find, for example, if you are investigating a particular word, or if you are investigating a particular service, and you are doing the search in another language which you are unaware of, then if you use the clustering search engine, you will find the related search or the related services or the domains as well. For example, if I just say type hacking here, or similarly I don't know, war strategy here, let's see. And so there you can see the cluster here. There it says it has created 614 clusters. So the hacking, the cluster is the security, Russia, agencies, game, ethical hacking, free, riding horses, review, photos, tutorials. So if you just open this, and it will then show you the result, which contains the hacking keyword in context with the security. So this is how the cluster actually work, and then you can get into the other stuff as well. Similarly, as I said, that the cluster search engines was very famous at some time of the internet, but now the regular or the standard search engines are amazing. I mean, they are doing the perfect job. So but still we use the cluster search engines in our analysis. So the importance of cluster search engines, we can, I mean, we should not ignore them. Anyway, so there are other results. Let's not just add it, just ignore it. And there you can see that the war strategy, and there you can see the particular topics that are relevant to it or that are related to it. And then this is a cluster search engine. Then it gives you the documents, the dates, the source, the publication as well, and the author. And there could be many things that can be done. So this is amazing. And apart from this, I would like to share another service, which is the academic research or dissertation or the research paper and all these things. You can search these stuffs here. So I will share the URL. Let me just do this. There you can see. Anyway, so as I said, that I will share the URL. You should check out all these, and if you just simply type a particular keyword here, you will get the related documents or the dissertations or the articles or the research paper related to it. on this topic, not only related, but on this particular topic that you the keyword that you basically put on the search bar. Okay, and there you can see the voice strategy. This is the research, the publish air, the content provider, and then you can see ISBN number, book, and the other. This is the article, the country, and all these things. So what we did, we have discussed the power of search engine, we have discussed a few search engines for the Tor network, we have discussed the Internet of Things search engine, we have discussed the clustering search engine, archive to see the history of a particular website. So let's just close this chapter, and then in the next chapter I will discuss the aircraft OSINT, which is very interesting. I will tell you, or I will explain the vulnerability of the aircraft ADSB system, and then I will discuss how to use it to track the aircrafts on live, not online, but this is live tracking. Anyway, see you.